guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at two new Madam Glam products. So these are their new 3D gels. They are already available on the Madam Glam website. So this is the Mirage 3D Sculpting Gel, and this one is called the Frosting 3D Art Gel. So you get 5 ml. You've got your ingredients on there. Directions. The product must be cured in an LED light for 30 seconds or a UV light for 2 minutes. These are also vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free formula and hema free. Let me just double check this one is as well. Yeah, this one is as well. And I think this one, if I remember rightly, it has to be cured. Yeah, this one has to be cured for 1 minute in an LED light or 2 minutes in a UV light. So the Mirage gel has to be cured for 1 minute. So let's have a little look at them first, because I have not got a clue what the consistency is like on these. I have seen a couple of videos, but it's not the same as having a look yourself and having a feel about with it, is it? So this is the frosting gel. So this one comes foil sealed. Now I think this one might be the softer one if I'm not mistaken. Right, so that one's the frosting gel. And this one is the Mirage gel. So this one doesn't come with a foil seal. This one comes with a plastic pull seal. So just pull on that plastic tab like that. And that's that one. So that's the Mirage. So this one is the frosting. It's more medium consistency. And this one is a stiff consistency. This is like the carving gel. So today I just want to show you a few different things what you can use these for. I want to show you a few different little ideas what you can do with them. So I've pulled out this swatch stick. It's just an old swatch stick that I don't need no more, but I thought I would just use it so I've got a background colour. So I'm going to use the Mirage 3D Sculpting Gel first. I'm going to take a little bit out. I have put a glove on as well, guys, because I find using carving gels, solid extension gels, which just seems similar sort of consistency, easier to use with my fingers. And you shouldn't really touch any products with your bare skin. Right, so I'm just rolling that into a bit of a sausage, making sure it's the same thickness all the way across. Then I've pulled out my Madam Glam silicone tool, and I'm just going to mould that into a donut. Just like that. So I'm going to pop that one in the lamp to cure for 1 minute. So that's all fully cured. Now I've pulled out this cute little mould, and I want to use one of these little sweeties. I'm going to turn this into like a sweet and treats nail. Sweet and treats themed. Now I don't need a lot of this because they're only teeny tiny. So I'm just pushing it into that mould. Then give that one a cure for 60 seconds. That's all fully cured. Now we're going to pop that out. Pop that on there like that. So now I've pulled out my palette, and I'm going to pop a little bit on there. I'm going to put 2 little bits on there actually. Same sort of size. Into this one, we're going to mix some purple pigment. Into this one, I'm going to mix some blue pigment. And I'm going to mix them together. And again, I'm rolling that into like a little sausage. Same with this one. I'm going to pick the 2 up. And we're just going to twist them. Now, I should have gloves on both hands, guys. So make sure if you do this, you've got gloves on both hands. But I am going to wash my hands as soon as I'm finished doing this. Pop that on the nail. Look at that delicious lollipop. So that's that. Then, this bit what's left over, I can still use that, actually. Waste not, want not. And that can be the lollipop stick. Then once I've cured it, I'm going to paint that stick white so it just stands out a little bit more from the lollipop. Cure that now before I wreck it anymore. Now I'm going to show you how you can burnish chrome powder into the cured Mirage gel. So if you remember earlier, this sweet has already been cured. So this is going to be a little bit fiddly. But it's definitely going to be worth it. So I'm just burnishing that chrome powder like that. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that, guys. How pretty is that? Oh, my camera's going to do it no justice whatsoever, obviously. Can you see it's got that golden shift to it? That's so pretty. And then that is going to need top coating, or else the chrome powder is just going to wipe straight off. But I shall top coat all of it at the end anyway. So we'll come back to that one. Now we're going to do the donut. So I've showed you how to use chrome powders. Now I want to show you that you can paint it. So I'm going to use a brown. So I'm just using my Madam Glam detail brush. I'm just going to paint the whole of the donut. Then I'm going to give that a cure. Now I'm going to try this frosting gel. We're going to put some frosting on my donut. So I'm hoping this is going to be the ideal product. So put a little bit on my palette, like that. Then get some of the Madam Glam's white gel paint. Mix the two together. Ooh, this looks promising. Looks just like icing, doesn't it, guys? So now I'm going to put some of this icing on the donut. Like that. Then I'm not going to cure that just yet, because into that I want to add some hundreds and thousands. Look at that. That looks so cool, doesn't it? So I'm going to cure that first. I'm just going to pop a little bit of top coat on just to stick the sweetie on. Like that. Give that a cure. Right guys, on this one you'll see I've painted a coffee cup. Now this idea I got from watching Aggie's video. She was playing about with the Mirage gel and she made a little coffee bean by accident. She didn't actually mean to do it. She was just playing around with it with her dotting tool and made a little coffee bean. So I thought that's a really cool idea. Right, sorry about that guys. Just had an Amazon delivery. Whoop. So yeah, as I was saying, I was watching Aggie's video and by accident she made a little coffee bean. I thought that is so cool, you know, to do a coffee set with. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just rolling it up into like a ball. I'm going to stick that on a nail. And I'm just moulding it with my cuticle scraper into like a coffee bean shape. Just kind of like kind of cat eye shape, like that. I'm just going to do one more of those, like that. So then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to use the Madam Glam Brown gel paint to paint them. Right, so they've got to be probably the worst coffee beans I've ever seen in my life. But I'm going to cure them anyway. Now we're going to use the frosting gel. And we're going to do a bit of an abstract design. So I'm just doing loads of little flicky flicks, and then I want to paint a border like a regular oval sort of shape. I want it to be a kind of frame design idea, and then I want to stick a sticker in the middle of it. Now I'm going to be burnishing chrome powder into this, guys, so you need to make sure that you're doing this over a buffed surface. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm using some silver chrome. See, if you leave the background shiny, that chrome powder is going to want to stick to the shiny background. So if you just give it a buff, it won't stick to it. I'm just burnishing that in. Like that. And then I'm going to put this sticker there. Like that. And then that is ready to be top coated. Now these Mirage and frosting gels are a no white formula, so they don't need top coating. But obviously if you're burnishing chrome into them, you're going to need to top coat. And obviously the sticker needs sealing in as well. So this frosting gel is going to be great for doing like little borders and things like that, I think. I quite like different textures and things like that. But that chrome powder burnished in lovely. It burnished in so effortlessly. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. So that is another thing you can do with the frosting gel. You can also paint little flowers, something similar to this, like a little rose. You could paint like a little rose and then burnish the chrome into that. There's so many different things you can do with it, guys. I just want to try one more thing. So I've got this Chanel mould, but I've never tried it, so I don't know even if it works. But I want to see, can you see that one there? Look at that crystal. That is so cool. So I want to see if I can mix some of the frosting gel in with a chrome powder. Let me explain as I'm going along, 1 second. So I've got some of the frosting gel, and I've got some gold chrome powder. Given that I mix together, now I'm just using my detailer brush. I'm going to pop that in the mould. And I'm going to get some of the Madam Glam No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I'm just going to pop that in the crystal bit. Then pop that in the lamp to cure. Right, so that's all fully cured. Let's see what happens, shall we? Let's see. Ooh, oh wow. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, wicked. Let me put it on a nail so you can see it. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. It actually worked. That is so cool. Look at the facets on the crystal as well. You see the facets on the crystals. That is well cool. I love that. Definitely going to be making some more charms. There's some really, really smart moulds in this as well. Can you see? I'm well excited to try some more of those. Right, so I think we're going to leave it there today, guys. Sorry it was a little bit of a long one. You'll be seeing me use these Mirage and Frosting gels in upcoming videos, I'm sure. I'll have to see if I can think of any other ideas what I can use them for. I can see me using that Mirage gel quite a lot because I do quite like 3D designs. I can see me using that quite a lot as a carving gel. So that's everything for today's video. A little bit of a different one, wasn't it? I've got a 30% off Madam Glam discount code as well, guys, which you'll see is in the top right hand corner of the screen, GG30. I shall pin that in the comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. So if you want to head over and have a look on there, you can. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well, guys, which is a really good membership. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, if you click the Madam Glam website link pinned in my comments, you'll find all the information that you need to on their website. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, guys. I'd really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.